Hello everyone, it's time to do the giveaway for the MoBilly Gates. Remember, this is a US and international giveaway, so this one may take some time. So if you see some edits, that's because we have those 4 sets that are going to our friends in the US, and we have that one big set going to our friends that are international. And I do think that most everybody followed the put US and put INT or international in your comment. Just kind of just doing some spot checking. I did see that quite often. So that should not be an issue, but especially when it gets down to covering that 10-piece set for our international friends, I may have to click the get winner button a few times. So if you see a cut, it's not that I'm trying to hide anything. It's just I'm trying to keep the video brief, and I'm also trying to make sure that the gates go out to everybody else. So let's get down to the desk and let's take a look to see what we've got going. Okay, let's refresh this page here. See what we've got. 1,469 views, so that's actually kind of low for a giveaway. And 738 comments. One of those, of course, being my comment saying 2 comments will get you disqualified. You can see the first few comments that we got in there. We have INT and US right off the bat. If we switch over to our random YouTube comment picker, I tried the other one that I typically use again, and it still doesn't load. I think that just one is dead. YouTube changed something and it's not updating, so this is the one we'll be using, I think, going forward. I've already got the URL in here. I am not going to filter duplicates or anything of that nature. We're just going to click the comments to get those all fetched in. Shouldn't take too long with a little over 700 here. We've already got 500 and 600, 700. All right, 737. Does that match up? I've already forgotten our numbers. 738, and then we've got mine, so it must have thrown out mine already. All right, so then we scroll down to randomly pick a winner. We are going to start with the 4 sets for our US or domestic friends out there, FPV flyers here in the US. So we're going to do that 4 times, and then we're going to swap over to that big 10-piece set for our international friends. James Skywalker FPV US. All right, so right off the bat, we've got one of our US friends there. It says, US, I need some gates too. Take a look. James got 21 subscribers. Looks like he went to Walmart recently. He's got some FPV stuff in there too. So congratulations to James Skywalker FPV. Let's pick US winner number 2. Entering giveaway, US Isaac M. Let's open Isaac's channel. He will have no content here, but we will get in contact with Isaac and we will get him his gates. Remember, you need to send me an email, nickburnsrc@gmail.com. If you are a winner, you should also, even though we always have troubles with it, have a comment from me on your comment on the giveaway video. Looking for US winner number 3. Halfway home on the US winners. Jim Leffler. Just when I thought it was over, we got MoBilly Gates. I'll be waiting in the good old US of A. Okay, so Jim Leffler, you are our winner number 3 for the US sets. Looks like Jim and maybe his son are into, or a friend are into shooting. Also got some stuff from RC. All right, so Jim is winner number 3. We're still looking for US winner number 4. Chris Prucha. US, pick me. Well, Chris, you have been picked. Let's open up your channel as a placeholder here. Oh, it looks like we've got some, oh, it's got Mockingbird in it. Likes to watch. Got a little cat there. It likes to watch the flying around. So, Chris, you are winner number 4. You have some gates coming your way. Make sure you send me an email. I should have that on screen. Obviously, my email address is not hard to find either, nickburnsrc@gmail.com. All right, so now's the time when we're going to be starting to pick or looking for our one international winner. Here we go. KB, first one right off the bat, International Canada. Thanks. Merry Christmas. KB, let's open up. Got a subscriptions, UAV Tech, Albert Kim. We got some 3D Printing Pro. I'm not familiar with that. Maker Muse, Vector 3D. There's Nick Burns, Gal Kramer, Joshua Bardwell. Lots of great channels you're following there, so you must be interested. Don't have any videos up, but that's all right. It's not a requirement. All right, so our winners. Oh, I've got one more U.S. winner to. No, I don't. Okay, so our 4 U.S. winners. James Skywalker FPV, Isaac M, Jim Leffler, and Chris Prucha. I think I was saying that right, Prucha. And then our one international winner is KB. I need all 5 of you to send me an email, nickburnsrc@gmail.com. If you're thinking about trying to fool me, please don't waste your time. I have a pretty good track record with filtering out all the people who try to fake me out, and I've talked about that in past giveaway videos. I don't think I've actually been faked out once. It's not even been close. So don't waste your time in trying to recreate some of these channels as we've seen them here on screen. Yeah, congratulations to our winners. Let's go back to the desk and we'll wrap up here. I appreciate everybody playing along, and I really appreciate Mr. Billy Yu, Mr. MoBilly, the creator of MoBilly Gates, doing all these different giveaways. Quite a value, really, he's been giving away. So apparently there have been a fair number of orders in order to be able to do that, to give away all these gates that he has had on the channel. And I think he's also done 1 or 2 with Albert Kim as well. So, wow, he's really been paying it forward is best way I can think of putting it. I'll be doing another giveaway myself, so look out for that. Hit that subscribe button and that bell. I'm going to be giving away some more quads, some more drones. I've actually got them stacked up. I don't think I'm going to record that tonight, but maybe tomorrow. So you should see that drone video or quad video giveaway coming very, very soon. Hopefully you guys are gearing up to celebrate a new year, and I'll be right here in that new year with you. Congratulations to our winners. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.